with that goofy grin and your hat too tight, talking about how you changed your ways. But I've heard that song in 7 shades. You still got that same old swagger, and I still got my peace of mind. So take that charm and all that chatter and leave what's mine behind. I ain't mad, I'm just amused. You think I'd sign up to be confused. Keep it moving, cowboy, roll on out. You and your promises I can do without. Take your truck, your tunes, your I'm sorry lines. I'm doing just fine with my peace and my wine. You can call it cold, I call it proven. I'm done with losing, so keep it moving. You say your mama misses me still, well, tell her hi from over the hill. I packed up every what if dream and stitched it shut with self-esteem. Don't need your midnight, just one dance. Don't need your cowboy second chance. Love's a rodeo and I'm through falling. When I hear your name I just start smiling. Keep it moving, cowboy, roll on out. You and your promises I can do without. Take your truck, your tunes, your I'm sorry lines. I'm doing just fine with my peace and my wine. You can call it cold, I call it proven. I'm done with losing, so keep it moving. You'll text me, hey, at 2:30, but I'll be dreaming of somebody new. No more fixing what you keep breaking. My freedom's the best decision I'm making. Ooh, yeah. Keep it moving, cowboy, don't look back. This heart's not some lost highway track. I've danced through tears, now I'm done proving. My boots are steady, my life's improving. I'm laughing, singing, finally grooving. So boy, just keep it moving. Just keep it moving. Morning sun breaks over the mountain line. Creek runs clear and the day feels fine. Barefoot kids with a fishing pole